Hey, what's up guys, Chef Krithir back with a brand new video for you guys. So today in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make epic thumbnails on Android. So yeah, let's get started. So before I start the tutorial, I would like to give a big shout out to Ziabo for making my awesome revamp. Please go check out his channel and make sure to subscribe. And yeah, let's start the tutorial right now. So yeah, first of all, open up Pixel Lab and then you wanna make our text here. So basically that's it on Pixel Lab. We don't want to do anything fancy here. So yeah, let me just go on, increase the size and then change the text because this text looks horrible. Now you can actually mess around with the text. Now you can actually install custom fonts from the fonts website. I actually made a tutorial on how to make how to install custom fonts on Pixel Lab, and so yeah, make sure to go check that video so that you can know how to install custom fonts if you don't know. So yeah, let me now just make my text. So I always try to keep the thumbnails with 3 texts, not more than that, because that is kind of my thing. And if you want to do it, yeah, make sure to keep it as few text as possible. So for this text, for the middle text that I'm going to use, I'm going to give it a little different so that it pops out from the other text. As you can see, I'll give it on this one, and this font is very famous for GFX designers, like especially for the Android GFX designers. So yeah, you must have this font. So yeah, let me now change this font too, so because I'll give as same as I give at the first font. So let me give this, let's see, let me just resize it a little and then save this one, and let's move on to Photoshop Touch. So yeah guys, if you don't have this app, make sure to download this app from the link in the description box down below, because you will not get this app in the Play Store. And then what I'm going to do is create a new project and make sure it is same as me, 1280 by 720p, and then go to photo layer, and then from here you guys want to do is give a cool wallpaper. Actually I have downloaded a cool wallpaper, and you can give any wallpaper you want. You can download a lot of wallpapers for your thumbnails, and sometimes you can just download a thumbnail pack from like Manik or other Android YouTubers. And then what you're gonna do is I will just give a little light up for the, yes, as you can see, I will just give a color a little here. As you can see, let me just increase it, and then I will change the color to something fancy later. And make sure to keep it on the corner. And then what you're gonna do is I'm gonna give on blue, because blue is my kind of thing. You can mess around with the colors, you can give whatever you want. And yeah, so as you can see, now what we're gonna do is click on empty layer and then go on and then go on gradient, and then from here guys, what you want to do is click on the white and that black one, and then change the colors what you want to give. I will give blue, and along with this light blue right here. And let me just bring it a little further. Okay, I think this up to here is fine. And then I think I'm gonna save it, and then what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna make the opacity a little like up to 60, so it looks kind of cool. Let me keep it to 50 is a little much. Let me keep it at 60, and it should be right fine right here. And then what I'm gonna do is bring the text. So yeah, I'll bring I'm gonna open up the Pixel Lab file, and then from here I'm gonna bring my text. As you can see, I'll put it, and make sure that your text is always in the middle, not in the right side or the left side, or yeah, make sure it is always in the middle, because that looks good. And yeah, let me just set up my fonts right here, I mean my text, and then I'll just bring another one. As you can see, I always make the middle text a little different so that it pops up. So yeah, make sure you always use a different text for the middle, which looks fancy, or I say a little cool. Yeah, so let me just come back after I actually set up my text properly, because it is not in the middle. It's some, I think now everything is in the middle and it should be fine, or I can just change it later on. I think it's fine right now, it's perfect. So what I want to do is click on the middle text and click on the gradient, the gradient that's we made right now. Yeah, make sure it is like this, and as you can see, let me now just save it. Make sure it is light than the background, because it always needs to be light than the background, because it will then match up with the background color. So make sure the color is always light, and then just go to the other text and give the color. So let me select the pixel and then go to gradient, and then I'm gonna go to this one and then make it as light as possible, or else it looks too much gradientish or something. And then I'm gonna save it and go for another text, and then I'm gonna go for this one, select pixel, and then go to the and icon right there, and then make this one also a light as possible. Let me make it more light. I think this much is almost perfect. And then what you guys want to do is go on to a thing. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is just give light in the background, which is very important now. So let me go to that variant. Oops, a message that came. Okay, sorry. Oops, another one. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is click on linear dodge add, and from here you wanna make the opacity a little less. I'll give on 60. Okay, it is always perfect in 60, and let me just reselect it perfectly. As you know, this much is cool, it looks cool. Okay, then make sure it is always in the background of the text, or else the text color will be ruined. And then I'm gonna I'm gonna do the same for the down lighting as well. So let me click on empty layer, and then click on the and icon right there at gradient, and then take it back. As you can see, I'll bring it back, and let me just select it right now, and then it should be okay up to this, which is looking very cool right now. And I recommend you all using this, okay, because the lighting is like a lot, makes the thumbnail very pop out or something, which looks very cool. So let me give this one also at linear dodge add, and then decrease the opacity, and then I think it looks cool. And then you want to give the drop shadow later on. So yeah, make sure everything is okay, and yeah, let me just do what I can do. And yeah, as you can see, it looks cool. And then what I'm gonna do is click on merge down, and then click on select pixels, and then from here what we're going to do is click on drop shadow, and then as you can see, let me save it right now. And as you can see, you need to give a drop shadow, I think, a couple of times. You must give at least 7 times, and keep the drop shadow, I think, up to 17 or 16 is cool. And then just go on and click on empty layer, and what we're gonna do is click on white, and then from here go to the box icon right there, and then make a box. And then from here click on clear, and then from here just go on and click on the FX icon, and then keep on drop shadow, sorry, and then give it at least 3 times. Let me give it 3 times. As you can see, it looks cool. And the thing is, we will now make a layer out that I give on my thumbnails, so it should be cool up to this. And then what I'm going to do is click on the magic icon, or the magic wand icon, and then from here click on the plus icon, and then click on the white and then go and click at the pencil icon and then clear out this one. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. So yeah guys, we have finally made it to the end of our video. As you can see, the thumbnail looks pretty cool, and I want to also thank you guys for 500 subscribers. It means a lot for me guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're new and leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.